BMW is finally ready to replace the i3 with another entry-level electric vehicle. This time, it won't be a highly bespoke, futuristic-looking hatchback with a carbon fiber chassis. Instead, it'll be a more practical, usable, and approachable EV based on a pre-existing car. It's the BMW iX1. The BMW iX1 will be the least expensive BMW EV on sale when it debuts, replacing the i3 as the brand's entry point into electrification. It won't be built on an innovative carbon fiber passenger cell like the i3. Instead, it'll be based on a more conventional architecture, albeit one that was designed with EVs in mind. Its basis will be the next-gen BMW X1, the brand's smallest, cheapest crossover, which itself is built on BMW's latest FAAR front-wheel drive architecture. While there will likely be more than one model variant, the biggest battery model is said to have a maximum range of 431 kilometers, or 267 miles. There's no replacing the character and quirkiness of the BMW i3. However, that same quirkiness needed to do a lot of heavy lifting to overcome the many flaws of the i3. For starters, the iX1 will be a far more practical vehicle than the i3. Its traditional crossover shape will provide more cargo space, headroom, and second-row passenger room. Its interior won't be as futuristic as the i3's, but it will be considerably more usable, which will make the lives of customers easier, and ease is the ultimate luxury. In terms of interior and cabin technology, the BMW i3 was outdated even when it was new. It took a mid-cycle refresh just for the i3 to come with a sunroof. It also lacked modern infotainment tech, a head-up display, advanced cruise control, many advanced safety systems, and even blind spot monitors. However, the BMW iX1 will get BMW's newest iDrive 8, its latest digital gauge cluster, and all of BMW's latest and greatest safety technology. Unfortunately, the BMW iX1 won't be available in the US market, at least initially, so it won't be able to replace the i3 there, nor offer Americans an affordable EV BMW. However, where it is offered, it will replace the i3's quirkiness with much-needed pragmatism, while still maintaining an affordable price. Typically don't get too excited about small electric crossovers like the BMW iX1. However, the BMW i3 meant so much to the brand's customers, as it offered them an affordable way to enter the world of electrification without ditching their beloved Bavarian brand. The iX1, while not as daring as the i3, will replace it as that entry point, and for that reason, it's a car that we should all be excited about.